Hey guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to download Steam, download and install Steam on a Windows 10 PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and leave a comment below. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to install Steam, what we need to do is open up our internet browser. You don't have to use a specific browser, you can use whichever browser you wish. I'm using Google Chrome. And what we need to do is in the address bar, we need to type store.steampowered.com. Hit enter. And what that's going to do, that's going to bring you across to the Steam website. And if you look in the top right hand corner, you need to click on this button here, the green button which says install Steam. And all you need to do is go and click on the button here, the blue button which says install Steam. Bear in mind this is on a Windows computer. If you're using a Mac, an Apple Mac or MacBook, what you would need to do is down here, it says also available on. You'll see there's a little picture of the Apple. So you can go ahead and click that to download the version for MacBook. But yeah, if you want to download the version on Windows 10, then you just go ahead and click the blue button here. And that's going to download the setup wizard. From here, what you need to do is click the setup wizard to open it, and just go ahead and click yes. And all we're going to do is click next, choose the language that you want to install. So we're going to leave ours defaulted to English. Click next and then click install. And that's it. It's a fairly fast install, and what you can do, I'm going to leave this ticked to run Steam straight away. I'm going to hit the finish button. So when you first download Steam, it's just going to download the updates. It normally does this every time you open Steam as well. It's going to run updates just so you've got the most up-to-date version of Steam. Just going to take a minute or two to run through that. Okay, so that's everything installed now. What I've done, I've opened up Steam, and what it's going to do is bring me to a login screen. If you don't have a Steam account, what you can do is just click the box down here and go ahead and sign up a new account. If you do have an existing Steam account, all you need to do is input your account name and password. Hit the login key. You can tick to remember my password if you want to. And what's going to happen, generally the first time you install Steam on a new computer, as a security check, they're going to send you a quick code which you need to enter just to confirm that issue, just because you're playing from a different computer or device using Steam. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go back into my emails and grab that code. Hit next, and then enter the code in. Then we're going to click next. Make sure you got this box ticked down here to remember this computer, just so it doesn't ask you to enter an access code every time. Once you've done it once, it's just going to remember it as a friendly computer. What you can do, you can actually give that a name as well. So I could put like home laptop and click the next button. And you'll see it's come up with a confirmation message saying success. you now have access to your Steam account from this computer. SteamGuard has added this computer to the list of machines that are allowed to access your Steam account in the future. So it's just come up with a quick confirmation saying that I've now got access to my Steam account from this computer, and that this computer has been added to a list of friendly devices. So every time I log in from this computer on Steam now, it's going to recognize the computer device I'm using. All we're going to do is hit the finish button. And that's it. You can see on my account I've got a few games there, but it's fairly easy to use. All you need to do is, if you're looking for a game, you just click on Store, and that's going to load up the Steam store, so you can have a look through the games and purchase from there. You've got your library, which is all your games that you've downloaded onto Steam. Community, which is kind of like a blog kind of thing, and that's it really. So I hope you found that helpful. If it did help, drop a like on the video and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel further, there is a link in the video description where you'll be able to buy the team here a nice cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.